Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Mongolia. Today is a Saturday and it's around 9 Celsius. So I'm gonna walk around the city a little bit. It's not gonna be my usual continuous walking video. Instead I'm gonna cut between the locations. So first location I'm gonna visit is Galleria, which is located right next to Parliament building, and there's one interesting event is going on inside this building. It's a vinyl collectors meeting, vinyl or a phonograph record. So Mongolia, there are some small but passionate wine collectors community, and today they are organizing this event. And so the whole vinyl mania started in the 80s when the Western music was banned, but young people still found a way to listen to Beatles, Rolling Stones, and David Bowie, ABBA, and Boney M. So now they are showcasing their collections. So we have some wines here. Okay, let's see what do we have here. So we have some classics here, Modern Talking, and Bob Marley, and Backstreet Boys. So just today they are announcing discount on their records. Oh, we have Andy Warhol here. Wow, I didn't expect this many people to be here. So this is Chenzo's records room. We have classic vinyl player here. I guess now it's worth hundreds and thousands of Tugruk. There's a Pink Floyd, and we have Mongolian vinyls, Mongolian artists vinyl. Even though now the vinyl and cassette days are way over, people still listen and collect vinyls because apparently it sounds better, and it's of course it's a classic. So here's some Daft Punk here. Sorry, can I ask you a few questions? Do you speak English? Okay. Could you tell us about your vinyls and collections here? How long have you been collecting this?
1 year. 1 year. Our name is Vinyl Head. We produced in my country this turntable.
This is made in Mongolia.
Yeah.
Wow. So how much does it just cost? How much is it?
Nixai Turk.
1 million.
Yeah.
Okay. Could you tell us about which one is the best in your opinion? Best vinyl in your collection?
I think Daft Punk. Because I really love this album. Yeah.
Okay.
And more this. Okay. There is a second. This one. Wine Mongol.
Could you explain why this is so precious?
This is because Mongolian Philharmonic and this, it's awesome.
It's classic.
And yeah.
So it's a Mongolian State Philharmonic.
Yeah.
Okay.
This song and singers are very classic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much how much is it?
180,000. Yeah.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
So it's on 10% sale and not just vinyls, but also we have vinyl players and other equipments here. So as you can see, there are prices here. So air supply, now and forever, this is 40k, and so we have Blonde Hunter, which is 45k. I mean Tuguruk. So it's a real treat for the vinyl lovers. And here's the Beatles. I think this is a DVD of the concert. Okay. Excuse me, can I ask a few questions? Could you tell us about your vinyls? Could you tell us about your...
Can you ask him?
Okay. Could you tell us about your vinyls? Introduce yourself and tell us about your vinyl.
Okay, we are from Iceman Records and we have many types of vinyls. There's especially we have hip hop and R&B genre, and there's the Mongolian vinyl and many types of.
Which one would you say the most expensive and rare in your collection?
Okay, in my collection, the most expensive and the rare one is the Big Bang 10.
Big Bang 10.
Yeah, it's 500 limited press and many collections. It's 400,000.
400,000.
Yeah, in M&T, Tuguruk.
So how long? Could you tell us about this vinyl player?
Okay, this one is Korean turntable, brand of Sound Look, and it's just a minimal retro turntable. Yeah, just built-in speakers, and you can carry outside and plug into a power bank, and it's all.
So how long have you been collecting vinyls? How many vinyls do you have in your collection?
I have a few, just selling. We are the record store. So.
How would you say the popularity of vinyl in Mongolia? Is it popular or?
These days, many people like vinyls. Yeah, it's so fantastic hobby, and people are increasing more and more. Yeah, I would say because of the sound of analog sound, very pure quality sound. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Good luck.
Okay. Thank you.
Wow. This one is really expensive, I could tell. I'm not really a big fan of vinyl, but I appreciate the class. We have some original CDs here. So simple and kind of love. And Italia Toppets. Hello.
Semeno.
Could you tell us about your CDs and the vinyls?
Junge?
Could you tell us about your vinyls and CDs?
Is it a personal collection of Tochtweijer, who is Mongolian cartoonist, and yeah, we're selling her personal collection. Yeah, you can buy a plate, CD, or a book. Yeah.
Which one is the most expensive? Which one is most expensive?
I guess this one. Yeah, maybe this one.
The Rolling Stones.
Yeah. This year, Rolling Stones 16th anniversary, and I think and you can 10% off and written price. Yeah.
You're also selling CDs, right?
Yeah.
Could you tell us about your CDs?
CDs. Those are original one and
Britney Spears.
yeah. All are original, and yeah, you can buy it. And other is from Japan, and yeah, different city in there.
Which one is your favorite? Your favorite band or artist?
Actually, my favorite artist, CD or place, it doesn't hear.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But I know Britney Spears.
Yes.
When I was kid, yeah, she's so popular.
Yeah. But is she still singing or not?
No?
No. Yeah. Now.
I don't know where.
So where is Mr. Tochtweijer?
Actually, he's walking on there. Yeah. You can reach him.
I'm just vlogging for YouTube.
Oh,
It's gonna be in English, so I'm just speaking English.
nice. Is it your personal blog or?
It's a YouTube channel called Real Mongolia, and we produce English content for a foreign audience. Гэхдээ Монгол ярьж болно. But no.
Congratulations.
Okay. Good luck. Okay.
Thank you for coming here.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. That was about it. And we have a Pizza Hut here. And of course, KFC inside this premise. And flower shop. So perfect combination. You can buy vinyl, you can buy flowers, and then you can have some KFC or pizza. Oh, somebody's dozing off. Guess it's been a busy day. And there are some bestsellers, mostly about how to achieve your success, etc. And there's a Cafe Bene. Okay, moving on to the next location. So I'm walking towards E-Mart, the biggest shopping mall in Ulaanbaatar, and on my way there I'm gonna show you this area. So this is the library of Mongolian National University. It was built about 5-6 years ago, and this whole area is basically university area. Mongolia's biggest universities located around here. For example, Mongolian National University, Mongolian State University of Education, Mongolian University of Culture, Science, and private universities. you will see a lot of young people, a lot of students around here. This is my favorite location to conduct street interview because so many young people walk around here and it's interesting to hear their opinions. So it's a pretty busy area during the night because young people want to party. And we have a CU, the chain shopping convenience store here, and the iconic student statue. I think it's been here for maybe 30-40 years. So CU brand is now basically all over the city. I think it's a Korean convenience store. They practically bought every small shops around the city, and now everywhere there's a CU. This one is the cinema, Urgo Cinema. They have three branches in Ulaanbaatar and one in Irten City. You could say that they are the biggest cinema company in Mongolia. I think they are showing the new Harry Potter movie, Secrets of Dumbledore, which I haven't seen, but I will. So this street is called Beijing Street, which is why there's a Chinese style gate there. And it's a pretty busy area, you can tell from the traffic. So that one there is a Mongolian University of Science and Technology. This one is Mongolian National University. So I hope that the U-Mart security will let me in, because sometimes they don't allow people to film inside. Just 2 days ago, this whole area was white because of the snow, and now there's not a sign of snow, which is pretty usual for Mongolian spring, because Mongolian spring is really unpredictable. For example, one day you could get snow, rain, wind, everything. So that's why they say that Mongolia has 4 seasons, and within the spring there's also 4 seasons, which is what they say. So here's the famous E-Mart, which is located right next to Chinggis Khan Hotel, which is now under construction. In accordance with the city mayor's new city planning decree, a lot of buildings are now under construction. So E-Mart has 3 other branches in Ulaanbaatar, in the south side and the west side. So this one is located in the western part of the city. So I remember when the first E-Mart opened here, so there was a big chaos. Everyone wanted to visit this mall, apparently, because it's modern and it has everything you need. Kids playground and all the shopping malls, food courts, everything. And since then there are a lot of new malls opened, so it's not really that popular anymore, but still it's one of the busiest malls in Ulaanbaatar. So if you walk straight, you will reach Sansar area, an area I walked around. So there are a lot of big brands inside this mall, On and On, Burberry, etc. Yeah, for filming. So we have Cafe Biene here, and Korean food court, Mongolian food court, dining hall, Burger King, Korean restaurant. So this is the first floor, and let's go upstairs, where the real shopping begins. I don't usually shop here because it's kind of expensive, but when I'm with my family, my friends, we'd like to spend some time here because it's a kind of a everyone in one place. Happy Optical if you need glasses. ATM machines to withdraw your money. Jewelries. And there's a drugstore here, which we call Imin Sang. You know, the term drugstore always confuses me because in Mongolia, drug is associated with bad stuff, but it is what it is. And here's the bookshop, the Internom. Will Smith's book is here. Let's see the bestseller. So the bestseller is about life. I don't know the English name, but it's about self-improvement. So in the past few years, self-improvement and self-help videos have been on the rise because everyone wanted to improve themselves. It's funny to see that the Will Smith book is here because just maybe a week ago he was everywhere, you know, everywhere on the news because of that slap. So now I guess people wanted to buy his book. We have electronic watches and smartphones. Here's a Realme, which is 899 Tugruk. And clothes section. Underwears.
Улсын нууцтай маш эзэмшигчид автомашин дээр ярилцлага очно. 5711 OBE 6097 OAK улсын нууцтай маш эзэмшигчид автомашин дээр ярилцлага очно.
I don't really what to say about all these products, so I'm not gonna narrate it. But it's about mostly products, consumer products.
Өөрчлөгчдийн анхаарал нэг дахин 17-18 касс нь жирэмсэн өөрчлөгч болон цоодны буюу таавшигчдээс доош бүтээгдэхүүн бодлого тавсан хэрэглэгчдэд үйлчилж байна. Энэ стартапын давхарлагчид нэмээд анхаарласан баярлалаа. Нэг автомашин зөвшөөрчдийн анхаарал Jarvis Evanka, Jarvis Evanka, Terminator Army OBE, Terminator Army OBE.
We have some apples here and orange, and more apples, and it's a meat section. So it's a food court, and you can order pizza and any other food you like. History section. So just from this size, you can tell how massive this mall is. Yeah, so that was about it. I know that it wasn't that eventful, but I hope that you saw a glimpse of life in Ulaanbaatar. I really was hoping that today is gonna be a sunny and warm day, but it's kind of windy here and it's not that actually warm. But I hope it's gonna get warmer tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And so thanks for being with me and see you later.